Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be swatching these colors. So this is the pretty new Dazzle Dry collection, and it's called Desert Flame. And these are very earthy colors. And I think I'm missing one. There's also a gray, like a gray with green undertones, and I don't have it. I don't know why, but I received these colors from Dazzle Dry, and I really, really appreciate them sending it to me. So I'm going to swatch it for you, and please let me know in the comment section what you think about these colors. So again, these two are going to be shimmers. And I think a lot of you are excited because you guys like shimmers. This is really nice. And this one caught my attention because we need this color, like a warmer beige, which is fantastic. Shimmering Sands, which is the one that I think I'm the most excited about. So it's probably a color that is going to look wonderful on a darker skin tones, on the warmer skin tones, not really on my mom, which she has like more of a red undertone. If I mess up a little bit, this is what I do. Beautiful application on the first coat, I have to say. Mojave Dreams. I don't know if I'm lucky or the brushes are better, because they're really, really good. I mean, Dazzle Dry changed their brushes maybe 3 years ago or something, 4 years, maybe 3 years, to the round brushes, which I was extremely excited about. But these, maybe I'm speaking too soon, but are even better. They're smoother, I don't know. Sequoia, so it looks like a chocolate. Almost black. Brushes are so important. This is almost like a one coater. Amazing. Amber. Wow, one coater, almost. Actually, no, it is a one coater. But even though a polish applies perfectly in one coat, I always use 2 coats because I really, with the second coat, sometimes I try to adjust the line, the edge. So I always use 2 coats. Very nice. Okay, perfect. Really, really smooth application. Very good. Very nice fall color. Once it's dry, it doesn't really look as chocolatey, but it looks like a warm black almost. If that makes any sense. Please forgive us the poor pinky, but there was an accident with a vegetable peeler, so this is what happened, but it's growing out nicely. Okay, and these are dry with overhead lighting, and this is more of a true light. So please let us know what you think. I'm very curious what you think, and I think you're going to be very happy with these 2 shimmers, and actually with this one too. This is really, really good. So it's like a warmer black. I would call it a warmer black. So please let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.